హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, వెల్కమ్ టు అవర్ ఛానల్. ఈరోజు వీడియోలో సింగరేణి జేఎంఈటీ మరియు ఇతర పోటీ పరీక్షలకు సంబంధించిన 50 అతి ముఖ్యమైన ప్రశ్నలు చూద్దాం. ఈ వీడియో కొంచెం లెంగ్తీగా ఉంటుంది, స్కిప్ చేయకుండా చివరి వరకు తప్పకుండా చూడండి. అందరూ వీడియోస్ చూస్తున్నారు కానీ లైక్ చేయడం లేదు. ప్లీజ్ వీడియోని లైక్ చేయండి, మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్కి షేర్ చేయండి మరియు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. ఈ వీడియోకి 500 లైక్స్ ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేస్తున్నాను. లెట్స్ గెట్ ఇన్ టు ద వీడియో. What is the main reason to support a slip or fault plane on its both sides? Option A, it is a weak zone of the mine. Option B, a slip or fault plane is the line of fracture of strata and very difficult to hold it. Option C, it indicates the weaker section of the district. Option D, none of them. And the correct answer is option B, a slip or fault plane is the line of fracture of strata and very difficult to hold it. Second question, water spraying at a coal face before and after shot firing is mandatory. Why so? Option A, in order to guard against the explosion hazard of coal dust. Option B, to prevent the formation of coal dust cloud. Option C, both of them. Option D, none of them. And the correct answer is option A, in order to guard against the explosion hazard of coal dust. Question number 3. The number of workmen's inspector in a large underground coal mine. Option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, option D 4. And the correct answer is option C 3. Question number 4. Maximum accidents in India are caused due to. Option A, roof fall. Option B, inundation. Option C, gas explosion. Option D, fire. And the correct answer is option A, roof fall. Fifth question, gravimetric dust sampler is. Option A, intrinsically safe apparatus. Option B, FLP. Option C, it has both the features. Option D, none of the above. And the correct answer is option A, intrinsically safe apparatus. Sixth question, roof fall accidents are caused due to. Option A, no support given at the face. Option B, insufficient support and delay in erection of support. Option C, maximum concentration of workers is there at the face. Option D, blasting and misfired shots. And the correct answer is option B, insufficient support and delay in erection of support. Seventh question, roof fall accidents can be minimized by. Option A, formulation of SSR and proper implementation of the support rule. Option B, minimizing the entry of manpower in the mine. Option C, by proper supply of support items. Option D, none of them. And the correct answer is option A, formulation of SSR and proper implementation of the support rule. Next question, it is very difficult to control shaly roof if coal is not left with the shale. Why? Option A, it is weak in nature. Option B, it has weathering effect. Option C, it has great affinity to absorb moisture and get departed from immediate roof. Option D, it reacts with coaly surface. And the correct answer is option C, it has great affinity to absorb moisture and get departed from immediate roof. Next question, which type of detonators are recommended to use with permitted explosives during the blasting of the solid? Option A, ordinary detonators. Option B, non-incendive alumina detonators. Option C, non-incendive copper shot delay detonators. Option D, non-incendive iron capped delay detonators. And the correct answer is option C, non-incendive copper shot delay detonators. Next question, use of oxacetylene Use of oxyacetylene. Flame welding cutting can be done in third degree gassy mine. If option A permitted in writing by agent, option B permitted in writing by manager, option C permitted in writing by owner, option D permitted in writing by director of mine safety. And the correct answer is option D, permitted in writing by the director of mine safety. 11th question. One of the main criteria to decide the size of the panel for depillaring. Option A construction of artificial panels. Option B incubation period of coal seam. Option C depth of cover. Option D systematic support rule of the panel. And the correct answer is option B incubation period of coal seam. Next question. What percentage of CO formed or O2 absorbed ratio indicates existence of heating? Option A 0.5%, option B 1%, option C 2%, option D 3%. And the correct answer is option B 1%. Next question. One of the important safety features of the cap lamp. Option A cartridge type fuse is incorporated. Option B arrangement to restrict excessive current flow in the event of short circuit. Option C both of the above. Option D none of the above. And the correct answer is option C both of the above. Next question. What should be the minimum insulation resistance of medium power cable? Option A 0.5 mega ohms, option B 1 mega ohm, option C 1.5 mega ohm, option D 10 mega ohm. And the correct answer is option B 1 mega ohm. Next question. What should be the minimum insulation resistance of high power cable? Option A 10 mega ohms, option B 15 mega ohms, option C 25 mega ohms, option D 50 mega ohms. And the correct answer is option A 10 mega ohms. Next question. Which of the following appliances is used to give suitable curvature to a track line? Option A backstay, option B Jim Crow, option C drop Warwick, option D small man clips. And the correct answer is option B Jim Crow. Next question. Longwall mining method is best suitable for option A flat and moderately flat seam, option B steeply inclined seam, option C fractured and geologically disturbed seam, option D seam with high cavability index. And the correct answer is option A flat and moderately flat seam. Next question. Quick production can be achieved from option A retreating longwall mining method, option B advanced longwall mining method, option C both A and B, option D conventional longwall. And the correct answer is option B advanced longwall mining method. Next question. Value bulking factor is option A 0, option B 0.5, option C 1, option D more than 1. And the correct answer is option D more than 1. Next question. In Indian longwall mines, support resistance is calculated with due consideration to option A convergence of the strata above coal seam, option B face length, option C panel length, option D height of the immediate roof. And the correct answer is option A convergence of the strata above coal seam. Next question. First generation powered support is option A choke shield, option B shield, option C frame, option D choke. And the correct answer is option C frame. Next question. Which of the following occur first in underground coal mines? Option A, periodical fall. Option B, main fall. Option C, local fall. Option D, air blast. And the correct answer is option C, local fall. Next question. Power pack is provided at Longwall face to give pressure to. Option A, powered support. Option D, armored flexible conveyor. Option C, double-ended ranging drum sharer. Option D, stage loader. And the correct answer is option A, powered support. Next question. Ratio of water and emulsion in hydraulic fluid is option A 99.99 ratio 1, option B 95 ratio 5, option C 50 ratio 50, option D 25 ratio 75. And the correct answer is option B 95 ratio 5. Next question. Over 90% of underground coal production in India comes from option A, Longwall method, option B, hydraulic mining method, option C, board and pillar method, option D, blasting gallery method. And the correct answer is option C, board and pillar method. Next question. Which of the below mentioned coal subsidiary of Coal India Limited has no underground mine? Option A, CCL, option B, BCCL, option C, NCL, option D, WCL. And the correct answer is option C, NCL. Next question. The process that sends sand water mixture in underground coal depillering district is known as option A, jigging operation, option B, gravity separation, option C, stowing operation, option D, coal drawing operation. And the correct answer is option C, stowing operation. Next question. Runaway switch is used in connection with option A, direct rope haulage, option B, endless haulage, option C, gravity haulage, option D, tail rope haulage. And the correct answer is option A, direct rope haulage. Next question. The track gauge width used to direct rope haulage in underground coal mine is option A 0.6 meters, option B 0.8 meters, option C 1.0 meters, option D 1.1 meters. And the correct answer is option A 0.6 meters. Next question. A coal seam in India is said to be thick when the thickness is more than option A 1.5 meter, option B 2.5 meter, option C 3.5 meter, option D 4.5 meter. And the correct answer is option D 4.5 meters. A road in a proper coal seam is called option A traveling road, option B gallery, option C drift, option D haulage road. And the correct answer is option B gallery. Next question. Drop Warwick is used in underground haulage track as a mean of option A coal lifting device, option B safety arrangement, option C tub coupling, option D super elevation of track. And the correct answer is option B safety arrangement. Next question. Side discharge loader SDL is a option A crawler mounted machine, option B tire mounted machine, option C both A and B, option D rail mounted machine. And the correct answer is option A crawler mounted machine. Next question. The full form of SSR is option A safari support of roof, option B steel support recovery, option C solid support rating, option D systematic support rule. And the correct answer is option D systematic support rule. Next question. The full form of RMR is Option A, roof mass recovery. Option B, roof measurement rules. Option C, rock mass rating. Option D, round mass recovery. And the correct answer is option C, rock mass rating. Next question, which type of drilling pattern is generally followed in solid blasting phase? Option A, burn cut. Option B, cormorant cut. Option C, pyramid cut. Option D, wedge cut. And the correct answer is option D, wedge cut. Next question, VOD is the property of option A, detonator. Option B, explosive. Option C, coal cutting machine. Option D, load haul dumper. And the correct answer is option B, explosive. Next question, which of the following hazards is met when the roof exposure during depillering operation becomes more than 90 meters square? Option A, coal bump. Option B, air blast. Option C, subsidence. Option D, explosion. And the correct answer is option B, air blast. Next question, P5 explosives are used for option A, pre-cut blasting. Option B, solid blasting. Option C, open cast blasting. Option D, overburden blasting. And the correct answer is option B, solid blasting. Next question, for how many meters manhole should be provided in haulage road? Option A, 20. Option B, 50 meters. Option C, 120 meter. Option D, 200 meter. And the correct answer is option A, 20 meters. Next question, overspeeding of coal tubs are restricted by option A, monorail. Option B, jazz rail. Option C, driving wheel. Option D, friction wheel. And the correct answer is option B, jazz rail. Next question, which type of drilling pattern is followed in blasting gallery method? Option A, ring pattern. Option B, burn cut pattern. Option C, wedge cut. Option D, cormorant cut. And the correct answer is option A, ring pattern. Next question, in hydraulic mining, the coal pulp is carried by option A, flumes. Option B, belt conveyor. Option C, coal tub. Option D, scraper haulage. And the correct answer is option A, flumes. Next question, breaking of coal in hydraulic mining is done by option A, coal drilling. Option B, jet monitor. Option C, coal cutting machine. Option D, blasting. And the correct answer is option B, jet monitor. Next question, methanometer works on the principle of option A, Darwin. Option B, Wheatstone bridge. Option C, Keystone. Option D, Graham's law. And the correct answer is option B, Wheatstone bridge. Next question, which of the following gas is known as marsh gas? Option A, H2S. Option B, CH4. Option C, NO3. Option D, CO. And the correct answer is option B, CH4. Next question, the term impeller is mainly associated with option A, booster fan. Option B, auxiliary fan. Option C, pumps. Option D, drill machines. And the correct answer is option C, pumps. Next question, existence of fire in underground coal mine is established by option A, Charles law. Option B, spot coolers. Option C, Graham's ratio. Option D, self-rescuer. And the correct answer is option C, Graham's ratio. Next question, no locomotive shall be used where the gradient of the track exceeds option A, 1 in 6 gradient. Option B, 1 in 8 gradient. Option C, 1 in 12 gradient. Option D, 1 in 15 gradient. And the correct answer is option D, 1 in 15 gradient. Next question, as per Mines Rules 1955, every shelter shall have a floor area of not less than Option A 10 square meter, option B 12 square meter, option C 14 square meter, option D 16 square meters. And the correct answer is option C 14 square meters.